Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put gas in your Ford Escape. First, locate the fuel door release button inside your vehicle, often near the driver's seat or dashboard. Once pressed, the fuel door, typically found on the driver's side, will pop open. Before proceeding, always make sure your Ford Escape is safely parked and the engine is completely turned off for your safety. Next, open the fuel cap. For models with a traditional cap, twist it counterclockwise until it loosens and can be removed. If your Escape has a capless fuel system, simply insert the nozzle directly. Remember to place the removed cap in its holder on the fuel door to prevent it from dangling or getting lost while you are fueling your vehicle. Now it's time to fuel up. Carefully insert the appropriate fuel nozzle into your Ford Escape's fuel tank opening. Make sure it's fully seated. Then, squeeze the pump handle to start the flow of gasoline. The pump is designed to automatically click off once your tank is full, preventing overfilling and spills. Do not try to top off the tank. Finally, let's finish up. If you have a traditional fuel cap, twist it clockwise until you hear several clicks, ensuring it's securely tightened. Then, gently push the fuel door closed until it latches firmly into place. Double-check that everything is secure before getting back into your vehicle. You've successfully fueled your Ford Escape and are ready to continue your journey safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.